When Bitcoin gets a cold, the rest of the market sneezes. It's a phrase that I never truly understood until about 2 months ago, when Elon Musk and other twats kept saying random stuff about an investment that I was learning, that investment being cryptocurrency. Now, as far as I understood it, we have the Bitcoin halving and things waggle up and down, but overall, over the course of a few months, you should expect some kind of increase in the value of your cryptocurrency. And we were doing that really well. So in February, dropped some money in and it went up, it went up, it went up. And just as I had a niggling thought in the back of my head, maybe I should take a little profit, I fell asleep. And then I woke up the next day and the Elon meme fest started, where for the next 6 weeks, he would say shit at the bottom of the market dips and annoy the living crap out of everybody in the currency. And then there'd be China, and then there would be the markets, and then there would be tax, and then there would be changes and blah and blah. So, the time that everything, all of the bulls have been waiting for has finally arrived. Over the last, I don't know, 3-4 days, we've started to see the rally. We've hit the bottom. We hit the bottom at around about $31,000 per Bitcoin. And if you've been watching people like Crypto, we still seem to be playing out the Wyckoff pattern, in which effectively big influential people have the ability to manipulate the market, get a load of money up, crash it down to the bottom, accumulate by shaking out all of the people that fear about the market, and just when all of the fear reaches its peak, it goes quiet. They've taken all of your money away from you, you paper-handed people, and it goes back up. Now, when I say paper-handed people, I don't mean that as an insult. What I truly mean is actually people that are slightly more risk-averse or slightly more cautious, people that have money in the market that they can't afford to lose, so they pull it out sooner, or they don't understand the market enough, so when they see it crash, they panic that they've lost money and pull it out, not understanding that it's not going to go down forever. If you leave it in, it will go back up. So, why am I talking about this? We've had another reversal of fortune, and no, that's not some kind of eating competition rhetoric. I'm not going to puke all over you. What is the end point of a cold? You don't sneeze and cough forever. Sooner or later you recover, and the recovery is coming. El Salvador is now accepting Bitcoin. People are rallying towards saying, please notify and recognize this as an official currency. And then Elon Musk last night, around about 12 hours ago, sent the tweet saying Tesla will now start accepting Bitcoin again, because there's now been steps made to make it greener, and we understand blah 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 blah. There's the North America Bitcoin mining and cryptocurrency mining federation that started yesterday, or confirmed yesterday, in which supposedly Elon Musk isn't part of, right? But he still has influence, and if he keeps nattering and saying shit on social media, then it's still going to cause problems. But all of that good news, and Elon Musk signaling to all of his friends that, it's time for it to go up. Because, yes, he individually may not manipulate the market, but it's amazing how many times he tweets at the bottom of a market to push it down. It's amazing how he may have got in at $30,000-ish at the start of the year, and it went back up to 62, and then possibly he sold for liquidation purposes to see if it was a viable option, and then it dropped back down. That's after he's made 500 or 700 million, right? And then it drops back down so his friends can pick up some Bitcoin back down at the 30,000. It's like sending the taxi back because you've forgotten someone, right? And now it's going to go back up again. Now, how high can it go? I think in the short term, we're looking at 45, 50. In the slightly longer term, you're looking at 60, 65. Now, the question is will it break all-time high? Has all of this dicking around pushed down its long-term price by the end of the year? Some people were predicting 300,000 by the end of the year. I think that's been scuppered a little bit. I still say over 100, 120, 140 at euphoria moments right at the top of the market. But in the short term, I think we're looking to trend up towards 40, test that, fail, bounce back down and go back over 40, and then 55, 60, 75-ish, leaning into, say, August. But this is my first bull market. This is my first crypto market. If you want to know with me, hit the subscribe button and we'll go from there. I'll see you soon. Check out this little video here.